So here we have the Mini 3-door hatchback on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car. And then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, as I said, you can see it's a 3-door car. We've got the white roof to match the white mirror caps, alloy wheels as well. I'm going to start off inside the boot space of the car, first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Speaking of which, this tray can also lift up to provide more space yet again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer in the center and the fuel gauge on the right-hand side. We've also got a digital readout for the speedometer. If you press the button on the end of the indicator stalk, that'll disappear and give you various bits of trip computer information and the total miles of the car, which is 72,606. Into the center next, we have the main screen for the car with all the options available to you. The movement that you see me making on screen there, it's being done primarily using this dial. The buttons that surround it will take you into the menus highlighted on them. Menu being the one that we're on at the moment, where you've got your settings menu, vehicle information menu, Mini connected, contact, and then over on this right hand side, push the dial down. This is where you'll pair your phone up. You've got your multimedia. So this is where you listen to your own music in the car, either via USB input, Bluetooth audio, or auxiliary input as well. And then we've got the radio. And as you'll see, this car's got FM, AM, and DAB all available. Below that, we've got our dual zone climate control. You can adjust the driver and passenger temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, and you can override that by pressing the auto button once again. Below that section, we've got our stop and start, which you can turn on and off. It's on at the moment, so if I hit that button and it's gone orange now, you can see that's turning it off. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is turned off, as I say, when you see that. So we've got the start and stop button for the ignition. You can turn your traction control on and off. We have a 12-volt charging socket, USB and auxiliary inputs, 2 cup holders, the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox, and the controls went through just a moment ago. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.